स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manual. So today's video is all about the preparation for Maharashtra Law CET, both with respect to 3 years and 5 years programs. So for 2021, the batches are already launched. Those candidates who want to join the online preparation batch, they can call on 8828581455. So guys, as the batches are already launched and the tentative dates are already out for the 2021, keep those dates in mind. You can plan all your strategies according to it. You can prepare your roadmap. Thus, you can enhance all the practices. You can energize your practices. And finally, only one thing will be remain, and that is nothing but your performance. So guys, all the tentative dates regarding Maharashtra Law CET, I already made a video on it. So you can check on the YouTube. And guys, we are Indian students. So जब तक डेट आउट नहीं होगा, हमारा प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट नहीं होगा. So guys, tentative dates already out हो चुके हैं. Keep those in mind and start your preparations. Now most of the students ask the questions, why only MH Law CET? So guys, MH Law CET is an entrance exam which is conducted by the government of Maharashtra, the Admission Regulatory Authority, or you can say that the CET cell. So it is conducted to get the admission in undergraduate and postgraduate programs in legal studies. So even 3 years program or the 5 years program. So 5 years programs after 12th and 3 years programs after the graduation. So why MH Law CET? Because guys, all the Maharashtra based colleges, if you want to enter into any Maharashtra based colleges, then you have to crack MH Law CET. So this is the number one criteria. Without giving MH Law CET, you can't enter into the Maharashtra based colleges. So these all colleges are approved by the BCI and the NAC, that is nothing but the Bar Council of India or the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. So each and every college are approved which are participating in MH Law CET, or even they are participating in the CAP round, that is nothing but your centralized admission process. So all the candidates admission will be go through the CAP round which is conducted by the CET cell. So that means all the colleges have to follow the guidelines which is given by the CET cell. Even the seat availability, even the fee structure, even the programs offered. So friends, it is very necessary that your college should be approved by the authorities such as the BCI and NAC. Then only you can get a proper certificate for your respective program. And these all colleges are located in the top cities in Maharashtra, such as in Mumbai, some of in Pune, in Nagpur, Nashik, Aurangabad, and etc. So location wise, these colleges are located in the top tier cities. So thus this will give a benefit during your recruitment process. Such as the GLC Mumbai, it is located in the financial hub of India, while the ILS is located in the education hub of India. So the government decided all the parameters, all the criterias, where these all colleges have to pass all the criterias and have to follow all the guidelines. Then only they can participate in the CAP round process. So you need not to worry about your admission process because it is all through the CAP round. So considering all these parameters, by giving MH Law CET, you can enter into your dream college. So guys, watch other videos such as the GLC versus ILS, the top colleges in Mumbai, top in Pune, top in Nagpur and Nashik and in Aurangabad. So you will get clear idea why there is need to give Maharashtra Law CET. So if you want to make your career in the field of law, then kickstart your preparation from now onwards. Let's crack MH Law CET. Join Manual online program. Get the stuffs like books, mock tests, sectional and full course. You can also interact live with us. So call on 8828581455 or visit manualedu.com/law entrance. Or you can also call on these respective numbers. So thank you very much guys. All the best for career. See you in the next video.